11 minus 11 times 11 minus 11. Most students get confused immediately. They see a question like this because they quickly subtract 11 minus 11 to get 0, then subtract the other 11 minus 11 to get another 0, and finally multiply 0 times 0 to get 0. But that answer is completely wrong. The reason is because of the order of operations, also known as PEMDAS. PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. This rule tells us the correct order to solve mathematical expressions. First, we solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right, and finally addition and subtraction from left to right. Now in this expression, we have multiplication and subtraction. Since multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction, we must first multiply 11 times 11. 11 times 11 gives us 121. So now the expression becomes 11 minus 121 minus 11. Next, we solve from left to right. 11 minus 121 gives us negative 110. Then negative 110 minus 11 gives us negative 121. So the correct answer is negative 121, not 0. Now, let's look at another example. Suppose we have 8 plus 4 times 3. Many students quickly add 8 plus 4 to get 12, then multiply by 3 to get 36. But that is wrong, because multiplication must come before addition. First, we multiply 4 times 3, which gives us 12. Then we add 8 plus 12, which equals 20. So the correct answer is 20. Let's do one more example. Consider 15 minus 2 times 5 plus 3. Again, multiplication comes first. 2 times 5 gives us 10. So now we have 15 minus 10 plus 3. Next, we solve from left to right. 15 minus 10 gives us 5, and 5 plus 3 gives us 8. So the correct answer is 8. This is why understanding PEMDAS is extremely important in mathematics, because if you solve expressions in the wrong order, you'll always get the wrong answer no matter how simple the question looks.